Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to set a custom iPhone ringtone with our Garageband app. With iOS 26, Apple has finally introduced a much requested feature, the ability to set custom ringtones on your iPhone without needing the Garageband app. This functionality makes it easier than ever to personalize your iPhone's ringtone using your own audio clips right from the Files app or voice memos. That said, let's get started. So first and foremost, make sure you have an audio file in MP3 or Info.A format. The file must be 30 seconds or shorter, as longer files won't work as ringtones. You can trim audio clips using third-party apps or record short audio using the Voice Memos app. Then you have to navigate to the location of the audio file in the Files app on your iPhone, and then you have to tap the file to preview it. Then you have to tap the share icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the share sheet that appears, tap on the More option, and then you have to choose Use as Ringtone option. iOS 26 will automatically convert the clip into a ringtone format and add it to your list of available ringtones. And then you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, you have to scroll down a bit and choose the Sounds and Haptics option. Then you have to choose the ringtone option. You'll see your custom ringtone listed at the top. Now all you have to do is just tap it to set it as your default ringtone, and that's about it. It's worth pointing out that this method also works with audio files in the voice memos and select third-party apps that support the iOS share sheet. You cannot use songs from Apple Music as ringtones, even with a subscription. Thanks to the introduction of iOS 26, Apple has removed a long-standing inconvenience for iPhone users. Setting a custom ringtone is now pretty simple, fast, and doesn't require any complicated audio editing tools. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, make the most of it to fully personalize your iPhone ringtone. And I'll catch you up in the next one.